Are you looking for healthy ways to power your day and your life? Welcome to 5 Minutes to Feed Your Potential, our series of short podcasts designed for busy people just like you who are looking for easy, delicious, and practical ways to be healthy and happy. Listen along as our chefs, dietitians, and other experts offer insights, ideas, and inspiration. If you're someone who loves to grill, you know that grilling is not just a cooking method. It's a lifestyle. But even big-time grillers can get in a rut with the same old burgers and hot dogs. For many grill enthusiasts, grilling healthier foods may be something entirely new. That's why Chef David Thornton is here to tell us how to grill better, with healthier grilling ideas that combine the freshest ingredients and best flavors to help you take your grill game to the next level.
Hello, everyone. I just love to grill. I love the sound food makes as it sizzles on the grill. I love the aroma as food gets a little smoky. And I love all the choices grilling gives me. Most of all, I love how the grill lets me make healthy food come alive with flavor. For me, there's just a little bit of magic every time I start grilling, so I do it all year long. But if you're stuck grilling the same old thing over and over again, I've got some ideas to help you grill better. From grilled meats to grilled veggies and even grilled fruit. I'm excited to share my ideas with you. What's the first thing you think about when you grill? I know, it's the burger. I love them too. But to grill better, I suggest mixing it up. Get started by putting different kinds of lean proteins on your grates. I think the best place to start is chicken and fish. For chicken breasts, I love a spice rub, like a mix of chili powder, smoked paprika, ground cumin, black pepper, or you can experiment with your favorite herbs and spices. A lot of people stop with chicken breasts, but I also love grilling chicken thighs. They are terrific with a traditional barbecue sauce. And I also experiment with different marinades to mix it up and add new flavors. For your fish, I suggest starting with salmon or tuna. They're firmer than other fish like flounder, so they just stand up better to the grill. Shrimp is also great for grilling. I like to use skewers to keep them from falling through the grates. Or you could use a perforated grill pan. Either way, make sure the pan, the grates, or the fish itself are lightly coated with vegetable oil to prevent sticking. And I suggest simple seasonings. A pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon or lime, and some herbs are delicious. And remember, seafood grills fast. For example, salmon cooks for only about 6 minutes a side on a 350-degree grill. Use your food thermometer to make sure your seafood gets to the right temperature. And don't go anywhere. It'll be done before you know it. If you want to mix it up a little, try protein-rich tofu on the grill. It easily takes on any flavor that you add to it, and it grills great. Try an Asian-inspired marinade with low-sodium soy sauce, garlic powder, and a little sesame oil. Marinades with olive oil, vinegar or citrus juice, and herbs are a great way to add tons of flavor to chicken, fish, or tofu. And they're really easy to make yourself. I love how you can make marinades exactly how you like them without too much salt or sugar. Another way to take your grill beyond the burger is to grill some of the best foods of the season. Fresh, colorful vegetables are amazing on the grill in the summer and all year long. They're just so good for you. I love a mix of bell peppers, zucchini, mushrooms, and cherry tomatoes. They make a great looking grilled veggie skewer. Eggplant slices, brushed with olive oil, and just a pinch of garlic salt are delicious as a side, or as a veggie burger option. And in the summer, corn on the cob goes great on the grill. Grill it with the husks on if you like your corn steamy and tender, or off if you like it chewy and a little smoky. Or here's something you may not have thought about. Jicama. Peel and slice jicama, then coat it with pineapple juice and olive oil. After it's grilled, chop it into a sweet and crunchy salsa with pineapple and orange chunks. The grilling process just adds so much flavor. Try mixing it with blueberries and raspberries for a red, white, and blue topping. It's a real showstopper on top of grilled chicken or fish. Once you get going, don't stop. Take the next step and add fruit to your grilling game. Stone fruit like peaches, plums, and nectarines absolutely burst with flavor when lightly grilled. They're great as appetizers, desserts, or tossed into salads. Add a pinch of black pepper and a sprinkle of vanilla to bring out their sweetness. Here's another idea. Have you ever grilled watermelon? Toss thick cuts with a little white balsamic vinegar and lemon juice. Top it with fresh rosemary or parsley and some chopped walnuts. It's delicious. And don't forget, grilled pineapple is great on its own or topped with frozen vanilla yogurt as a sweet ending. I hope you can tell that I just love grilling. Give some of my ideas a try. The grill is just too amazing to stick with the same old thing. Challenge yourself to grill better and find new and exciting ways to fire up the flavor.
Thanks for listening. Whenever you're looking for inspiration for healthy living, our chefs, dietitians, and other experts have lots of ideas to feed your potential. Visit our website at fyp365.com to see all our recipes, blogs, podcasts, and more.